कोण उलोवपाक पळयता न्हू फुडल्यान येवन मातशें उलय
हे बरोबर आहे.
तें ओके
Whoever's talking can come ahead.
They're in front. All like this, like
व्हिडिओ घेतला फुडें येवन उलया
Our phones will not be able to capture. Come in the center.
this like that.
Come in the front.
Don't go in front. You're coming in camera.
Last time, all of you.
Come little.
Good morning, everybody, and I'm very grateful for the press having come here to cover up this issue about missionaries of charity. Now, today we have come here, we have gathered here because in solidarity with missionaries of charity, because we have submitted a petition with all the signatures requesting the missionary, the assistance of the Goa to do the repair work of the home and to recall the sisters, because they were doing a very wonderful job here for the poorest of the poor and the destitute. Not only the migrants are destitute, but we have also ones who are destitute and who need this home. And this is a home where it is without making any payment. It is free. And now the thing is that this home was purchased in 2000. Assistance was established way back in 1910 by General Dr. Zé Maria da Costa Alves and Advocate Zé Maria Pereira and others like-minded philanthropists. And it was registered as a charitable society in 1976 under the Societies Registration Act 1860. And the main aims and objective of this Assistance Goa is to assist and take care of the poor and the destitute and the underprivileged society in general. That means it is with the intention for a charitable institution for the poor people. Now the thing is that when they could not manage this asylum that time till 1976, when Mother Teresa visited Goa, they requested her to take over this asylum and to manage it. So then there was this thing, agreement signed, where here it is the agreement signed by Mother Teresa, where it is clearly said at para 1, confirming the talk I had with the managing committee today, I wish to convey to you that I am prepared to take over the home for the destitutes you are running in Panjim, provided it is handed over to us unconditionally until such time when we decide to discontinue our activities. And moreover, they were told that they will be given 1,000. This is the minutes of the record of the proceedings, where the managing committee resolved that the society will donate rupees 1,000 per month for the running of the home, after the same is taken over by the missionaries of charity. Now we don't know whether this has been given. Now at the time of handing over, whatever may be the reason, they wanted them to sign that they are handing over the premises and the keys without any claim. Without any claim. I mean, they should not claim anything. So why this torture was done to the sisters? So this shows that at the time of handing over the keys and signing the handover, that they wanted that they will not claim anything. So this shows that they were being tortured from many years back, means maybe 2010 onwards. As you can see, the condition of the roof, is this accepted in a city? If they don't have the funds, then there are people who are ready to contribute. Now this Assistance, petrol pump was belonging to Assistance, which they sold in 2007. Where is the money gone? Now I'm given to understand that Fisherman Wharf at Kapal also is belonging to Assistance, and they have given them on long lease. So where is the money gone? Could not they repair this for a few lakhs of rupees, maybe 5 or 10 lakhs? Otherwise we are there ready to sponsor. But sisters were wanting to also do the repair work, but they were not given permission by this Assistance. This shows that they have a motive behind it, because this property is valued as of today 150 CRs. You understood, no? So there are land sharks and there are greedy people whose ancestors have not purchased this property, but this property is purchased by the two generals who donated this for the charity work and not for the committee people and the present trust to do what they want, business. And they are saying that this is an institutional zone. As you all know, institutional zone will be only on for you and me, but they can convert because there is one person in the assistancia who is into land conversions. One person who is under doing land conversion. So from institutional to a commercial zone will not take time with this government. We understood. So the thing is that another thing is I cannot disclose the name. Yeah. So it was in 2014. Mr. Kashnath Shetty told me, Executive Engineer of Health Department, yesterday that in 2014 they also wanted to drag away the sisters from here, but it was stopped because this is an NGO organization and not a government organization. So it is basically of a Catholic community organization. So they are answerable to the Catholic community. They cannot decide what they want. And with the trust members, they cannot decide. They have to take us into consideration. Now the thing is that, see, missionaries of charity, till they were here, they have done adoption of nearly 500 children, which shows that they have given these orphan children of unmarried mothers to good houses where they have made their future. Their children have also, those who have given on adoption, they have got married. Their children also have come and visited them. So it is a big blessing for them. They are the persons who are really down to earth, this missionary of charity. So question of having not enough nuns is ruled out because they have another 2 homes. Why only Panjim has been changed away? There is one at Karambuli and there is one at Patorpa. So there are missionaries of charities also. Not a question. This is not a question. They were under duress to talk like this. Because when the Sister Superior, Rosaria, said that Panjim is rich and they don't need services, they were called by the Bishop House and they were told, questioned why they had spoken like this. One of the sisters told me this. So I don't think that Bishop should interfere in this, but Bishop should interfere to bring them back if it's really for the service of the poor and not for land deals. Because church properties and the institutional properties cannot be sold at any cost. But it is getting sold to the land sharks from out. So the thing is that we are trying to save this place for the betterment of the poorest of the poor. Because we have lot of Goans who are poor, who don't have a single meal also. And these are the sisters who used to donate lot of things. I mean to say give rice, give milk, give food and everything. And it was accessible for all of us to come and donate something. I have, my family, I donated lot of things to them. Furniture and food items and everything. So it is close for us, since we have seen that they are doing a human work, that all of us were coming forward to contribute. And we would have contributed for the repairs of the roof. And little here and there cracks. See, if you don't maintain, naturally the cracks will increase. So if you repair it, then there are no cracks. And look at this, in the city, this condition of the roof, can't they repair? So my humble request is to the assistance to reconsider their decision and bring them back. Don't say that the sisters have decided on their own. There is pressure on them not to come back.
How do you know this pressure?
I know because I heard from some sources.
Ma'am, you all have spoken to the nuns. Are they willing to come back to Mother Teresa's charity?
No, we are trying to do everything because it all belongs, it all depends on the Calcutta, their head office. So we are trying to do...
because they have ruled out coming over here.
Ruled out, no, but we have to convince them because this is a main center for them for the poor people. Because Panjim has got lots. In the villages there are not much. But Panjim has got lots. And there are so many who were kept here for free. Those who were abandoned by their families, and then others who were injured, and others who were like having food to eat, as a destitute, beggars and everything. Even our goons are there. Not everybody is rich in Panjim. Not everybody is rich in Panjim. So we need this home, and since this home is basically meant only for a charitable institution, that it should be retained and not for a commercial use. Because first they said they were giving this much percentage, I think 85 or 50. Then they came down to 78-22. And then they it seems as I heard from somebody that they want to make shops in front and drag the sisters towards the creek. So this is not a torture for the sisters. So out of their frustration, they said, take it back. Take it back. And now, as per some papers which I have, they want to rebuild and lease to the Ministry of Charity. Why lease to this charity? From where they will pay? This is not a business? Or they want to make this for rich and the famous? And make this as a commercial area here when it is an institutional area? You cannot do, because whoever has donated this land is for this particular purpose. So they should maintain this for the charitable institution, nothing else. So now we have submitted the petition with the signatures, nearly 300 signatures, and because of this heat we have taken more. But 300 signatures we have submitted for them to reconsider. So now we are going to give this one copy to the Bishop House, one copy to the mayor, because mayor is planning to go to Calcutta. So to show them that we are here, Panjamites, supporting them. And one copy we are sending to Missionaries of Charity in Calcutta.
Ma'am, you had a conversation with the mayor about it?
No, I didn't have. It's difficult to get him, but the thing is that we'll be meeting him. Let's see when we
There
get
are
him.
other NGOs.
Planning to lease it to? Who are they planning to lease it to?
Mother of Charity, Missionaries of Charity.
No, the other person you mentioned, they are planning to repair it and lease it to whom?
No, reconstruct.
Reconstruct.
It's back to them if they want Missionaries of Charity.
Private area, to the government?
Not to the government, to the Missionaries of Charity, MOC.
That's not a bad idea.
From where they will pay the money? When they are doing charitable institution?
If they are doing it for the missions of charity and they've got the money to do it, to return it, it's just a matter of time, isn't it?
Not accepted, because this is not for making money. This is free for them, for charity.
Need money to do the repairs?
They do the repairs, they can do it. We also can contribute, all of us Panjamites and others. If we give one call, everybody will contribute. Donations will be coming at any cost.
This is a private trust you must
Private trust. It is a private Catholic trust.
The letter which was sent from Calcutta without a pressure.
Must be. Must be.
You all have met the bishop regarding this issue?
No, the cardinal is in Rome, no? So now we are going to meet our Australian bishop. Let's
If
see.
there's any other
Auxiliary.
NGO who would like to run this, do you think would be a good idea? If the missions of charity would not be the
See, but they should not be sold or should not be for commercial use. We are trying our best to bring them back. Question of decline in their ordination and all is just a excuse, because they have got other places there in Katorpa and all, and they can always the old can be kept separate and the new ones can come. Like the archdiocese, they send the old priest to the clergy home and they bring the new ones. There are nuns, but the thing is that the way they have been, looks like they have been tortured by not allowing them to do repairs, by fooling around with them about the percentage of the allotment to them, and now at the time of signing, which I got a message that they wanted them to sign without any condition, that they will not claim for anything. Why? Why they will not claim? That is when I put a message and I spoke to the person who went there. They see that they don't mention that, and it was not mentioned that they will not claim. When you give unconditional, we are giving it back, maybe under pressure or anything. But this looks like it is under pressure. They are being told.
Just claiming.
No, they are not claiming. But why they had to take that they will not claim? Why? When they wanted them to run in 1976, they gave everything unconditional. Here it is.
Yes, it's there in their papers also.
Yeah. There.
When did Mother Teresa come here?
1976.
Okay.
Yeah, please. Anybody else want to talk?
ही आतां केस आतां म्हाका उगडास करचो पडलो फादर बिस्माकाक जे पळय डोनेशन हें केल्लें डोनेट केल्लें एका स्पेसिफीक पर्पसाक तेहेच वाशी आयलंड ह्यो स्पेसिफीक पर्पसाक दिल्लें आनी तें आयज तें दुसऱ्यांच्या हातीन पडलें आनी हें आयज दिरान दिसता हें कॉमर्शलायज जावन अशेंच जावपाक म्हणून सो हितून ज्या डॉक्टर लोबोन पळय सांगलेले कोणेन आहा विथ फूल डिटेल्स तेचेर हें घेवन तेचेर हें करचो आमचो मदर टेरेसाक ओर त्यांनी खंयच्या दुसऱ्या संस्थाक हाडून जे पळय स्पेसिफीक पर्पसाक पळय दिला तेकाच उदार करचें आयज जायते घडटा आयज हो आतां एरिया पयशांक लागून मॉनिटरी गेनाक लागून कॉमर्शलायज करचो न्हू जो पर्पस आहा त्याच पर्पसाक दिल्लो पळय तेकाच यूज इतलेंच म्हजें सांग
माझे नाव शंकर पोळजी आता डॉक्टर लोबोन तुमकां सगळें इन डिटेल सगळें समजून सांगलां तुमकांय सगळें कळ्ळां आसतलें सिट्युएशन कितें आहा तें हांव जाल्यार म्हणटा कितें सांग आयज जे हे होम्स आहात चॅरिटी होम्स आहात न्हू कितें आयज आमी म्हणटा कितें सांग रिलीजन आतां ह्युमॅनिटी इज द बेस्ट रिलीजन सगळ्यात पयलो रिलीजन म्हणटा तो ह्युमॅनिटी सो म्हाज्या हिसपान जाल्यार हे जे कोण आतां हांगासर नाटकां करपाक सोदता तेंच्यांनी मातशें मनीसपण दवरून विचार करून असले संस्था तरी मरे बंद उडोवपाचे न्हू असले संस्था बंद उडोवपाचे न्हू इतलीं वर्सां तेंच्यांनी हांगा काम केलें आनी आयज तुमी तांकां काडपाक सोदता म्हाका दिसता हें चुकीचें आनी आतां तेंच्यांनी बिशपाक सुद्दां मेमोरंडम दिल्लो आसा आय होप बिशप हेचेर एक्शन घेतलो आनी हें परत चालू जातलें आनी जावपाक जाय कित्याक जाणा आमी फाटीं स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्स म्हणून एक जो NGO आहा तो सगळे जे गरीब रस्त्याचेर बीन कोण आहा जांकां कांय ना जेवण खाण मेळना तांकां आपले कडेन व्हरून दवरता आनी तांकां फेसिलिटी दिता तेचे कडेन एक्सेस लोक जावपाक लागलो तेचे कडेन जायना जालें आनी गव्हर्मेंट जो फंड्स ताका दिता न्हू तो ताका सारको टायमार मेळना जालो म्हणून आमी ताका सपोर्ट करपाक इवन चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन गेले आनी चीफ मिनिस्टराक मेळोन आमी रिक्वेस्ट केली की तांकां हेल्प करपाचो म्हणून ना जाल्यार सरकारान टेक ओवर करपाचें म्हणून ते पूण सरकारान डायरेक्ट हात वयर काडले ना रे बाबा म्हणलो तुमी करता ते तुमी बरे भशेन करा आमी तुमकां सपोर्ट करपाक रेडी आसा दॅट मिन्स हें बंद जावपाक जायना हांगासर कितें लोक आसा अशे खूब गरीब लोक आहा जांकां फॅमिली सोडटा जे आपले रस्त्यार आसता जेंचे कडेन जायना ते लोकांक हांगासर आदार मेळटा आनी म्हाज्या हिसपान जाल्यार तांकां हांगासर जो आदार मेळटा तो कंटिन्यू जावपाक जायो आनी जे कोण हांगासर पळय कशें आहा गोंयान न्हू आतां हे एक व्हायरस लागलेलो आसा बिल्डर माफियाचो आनी हो व्हायरस इतलो फास्ट स्प्रेड जावपाक लागला ईच अँड एवरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आमची जंगल नश्ट करपाक लागला पर्यावरण नश्ट करपाक लागला आनी एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आयज तो लोकांच्या प्रॉपर्टीचेरूय येवपाक लागला सो म्हाज्या हिसपान जाल्यार आयज गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान सुद्दां हेचेर दखल घेवन कितें जे मिशनरीज ऑफ चॅरिटी आहा तांकां हांगासर न्याय दिवपाची गरज आसा आनी एक सांगता तांकां न्याय दिया आमकां रस्त्याचेर येवंक लावनाका प्लीज आमी जर रस्त्याचेर येयले जाल्यार मागीर तुमकां दुसरो परिणाम भोगचो पडटलो मागीर देव बरें करूं
As Dr. Lobo has already spoken everything in detail, I will not go back again to the whole thing because it's already been spoken. But I'm only talking on the humanity ground now. Now the humanity ground is that we all know from my childhood onwards. जेन्ना पळय हांव भुरगें आसलें तेन्नासान हांव हांगा येता म्हाजी आवय म्हाका घेवन हांगा येताली because why we want to see how the old people have been abandoned and when they are abandoned how these sisters who were which was given this charitable source which was given by Mother Teresa, it was started by Mother Teresa, how these old people were taken care by these sisters. Not only the old people, the abandoned, the children who were just were just kept over here and the mothers were gone, and those children were taken care. Tenche tumi chita, I want to just request that just reconsider that this place we need something in Panjim. We cannot go to the villages, we cannot go anywhere far. आता आमी सगळी पणजेची हांगा हे पळय आतां आमी हांगा एकठांय जाल्या ती सगळी पणजेची आमी खंय गांवांनी वयची ना जेवण घेवन कित्याक कपडे घेवन कितें आमी दिवपाक डोनेशन जाल्यार आमकां हांगा पणजेचो सेंटर आसा आनी दीस सेंटर हॅज बीन देर फॉर इयर्स एंड डिकेड्स सो वी वॉन्ट टू मेंटेन दीस सेंटर इन Panjim. We do not want this center to be taken. And think about these old people who have been abandoned You know, I last year also I came with the Mahila Congress. I was the block president of Mahila Congress at that time when I had come here with my whole group. My whole Mahila Congress had come here, and we saw, you know, how happy they become when you come to visit them. You come with the food for them. You come with some gifts for them. They become so happy. And because since it is in Panjim, it becomes very convenient for the people from Panjim to come and donate something for them. People will not go somewhere far away. So I want to just request that please reconsider these people to maintain them here, and that we want this place in Panjim, and that all these old people who have been abandoned, all the children who were been taken care by the sisters, they have to be kept in the same place, and we want this Panjim city to this charitable source to be here. Thank you. I am Advocate Lavina Dikoshkar.
I'm Anna Gracious. Police खातीर आमी हिंगा कन्सर्न सिटीजन्स म्हणून हांगा आयला कसले पॉलिटिकल बॅकग्राउंड ना, बिकॉज वी आर कन्सर्न अबाउट दीस हेरिटेज हाऊस. Let me make it clear, we are concerned about this heritage house. आता पर्पज कितें ह्या घराचे? हे घर हाऊस केले कोणाक? डस्टबिनान उडयलेली भुरग्यांक दूख दिसता सांगपाक. अनवेडेड मदर्स ही कोर्टुबाक कोत्ता म्हणून ही भुरग्यांक थिंगाच्यान पिकअप करता आनी ही मादऱ्यो पोसताले. एक संस्था म्हाका दाखय अशें कोण करता गव्हर्मेंटाचे? कोण करना? इतली केअर घेवपाक खंयचीच गव्हर्मेंटाची संस्था चॅलेंज दे. सेकंडली, डेस्टिट्यूट वुमन्स, तांकां घरदार ना, ते खंय वयतले? कावन्सिलींग जाता हिंगा, मेडिसिन्स फ्री दिता, not a single penny was charged to them. I know this because I worked here as an administrating officer. The third thing, the children, the orphans, they were brought up. कितले कास्तीक आमकांच खबर आहा, मायांक खबर आहा भुरग्यांक कशें वयर काडपाक ते. आनी सेल्फिशली दे यूज टू डू दिस वर्क. हे जावन खूब अनाथ भुरग्यांक, जाणट्यांक हिंगा दवरताले, मेंटली डिस्टर्ब. Now I would come to that point. एका मेंटली पेशंट तुमच्या घरान आमकोडेन सोसना, पूण ह्यो मादरी मोगान तांकां सेवा दिवन आपली तांकां बरें करताले. तेच भशेन कोणाचे पांयांक किडे पडले, सेल्फ वर्क करताले, खंय भोंवताली. आमच्या इंदिरानगरान चिंबेल येताली, जेवणां दिताली, रेशन दिताली, आनी लोकांक ते पोसताले. अहे कोण गरीब आहा पळय ते. आता एक स्टेटमेंट येयला दॅट पॅन्डेमिक इज गॉन रीच. कशें? बिल्डर लॉबीज येवन ते रीच जाल्या. पयले गरीबूच आहले आनी ह्या संस्थेचे खाताले, आनी आयज ते लोक उगी बसल्या. म्हाका जाय सगळ्या लोकांनी एक डिमांड करचो. मदर ट्रिजाचे मिशनरीज जे आहा, जांचे इंटेन्शन आता ना, कित्याक तांकां दुखवलेले आसात. जेन्ना मदर ट्रिजा हिंगा आयलेली ह्या संस्थेन, तेन्ना म्हाका भाग जाले तिका मेवपाक, आनी तेन्ना खूब खोश जाले हांव. पूण आतां आमी इतले जाण मदर ट्रिजाची पावलां हांगा पडोन आमी तांकां भायर घालता, हे एक लजेची खबर. आय अपील टू ऑल द सुपिरियर्स ऑफ मिशनरीज ऑफ चॅरिटी, प्लीज कम बॅक. वी आर इन नीड ऑफ यू. Because your services are of great help and cannot be repaid to you all back. With tears in my eyes, I really beg of you, the missionaries of charity, to please come back and save this place for the destitute and for the needed. Panjim is full of destitute people. You can see in Azad Maidan. And as per my bite, I had requested the mayor to come and see this and sort this, and he also assured me that he will do this work. I really am thankful to him. Please see that this doesn't go to the builders' lobby. Thank you.
प्रत्येक कॉमन मनशाक रस्त्यार येवन अपील करची पडटा. हे सगळ्यांच्या दुर्दैवाची गजाल आसा. आनी पयली गजाल दुर्दैवाची गजाल कित्याक म्हणटा हांव, मदर तेरेसाचे हांगासर एटलिस्ट तिणें जें काम केलें पळय ते काम आनी 100 लोकांनी गोंयान इन्स्पायर जावन फुडें करचें आनी तिची वाट चलची म्हणून हे हांगासर चालू दवरपाक सगळ्या वाटेनी सगळ्यांनी सपोर्ट करपाक जाय. म्हाका जाल्यार आज पर्यंत खंयच्या पॉलिटिशियनांनी उलयला अशें दिसना. प्रत्येक पॉलिटिशियनान एक क्वेश्चन करपाची सगळ्या मिडियांनी आनी विचारपाचें की मदर तेरेसाच्या इव्हेंटाक सगळ्या हितून तुमी शामील आसता, लोकांक पळोवन शामील आसता काय खऱ्यांनी मनांतल्यान तुमकां शामील जावचें आसता, हें क्वेश्चन करपाची गरज आसा. जे भशेन हांव लायव्ह आतां पळयतालो एक बायल मनशान सांगलें की हांगासर 150 crores खंय ह्या प्रॉपर्टीचो व्हॅल्यू आसूं शकता. एक गजाल सांगूंक सोदता आनी जो कोण हांगासरल्यान तांकां सिस्टरींक फुडें दुसरे कडेन ट्रान्सफर केला पळय तांकां सांगूंक सोदता, मनशाचो व्हॅल्यू जो आहा पळय तो कोट्यांनी तुमी कन्सिडर करूंक शकना. आनी जे काम जे मदर तेरेसान केला पळय ते 150 कोटी कितें रे. जे काम तेणी केला पळय आयज भारतान ते खंयच कंपॅरिजन करूं शकना. सो आज वायट हेकाच लागून दिसता की आमकां एक्टिविस्टांक आनी सोशल वर्कांनी बाकीचे कॉमन मनशाक हांगासर येवन तिच्या लागून आनी तिचें काम जें आसा पळय फुडें व्हरचें आनी हांगासर उरचें म्हणून आमकां हांगासर वॉयस रेज करचें पडटा. इट इज अ शेम. इट इज एक्चुअली अ शेम. आय वूड लायक टू क्वेश्चन ऑल अदर MLAs रुलींग एज वेल एज ऑपोजिशन. तुमचें तोंड कित्याक लागून बंद आहा? ते 150 crores तुमचो शेअर आहा? क्वेश्चन मार्क आहा? नाजाल्यार डिफेमेशन केस घालपा लागून तुमी मुद्दम मुखार सरता. 40 आमदार जे आहा पळय तांकां फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आसा तुमचे कडेन कॅपॅसिटी ना हें सेफगार्ड करपा लागून. दीस इज एन आयडेंटिटी. दीस हांगासरल्यान कितलेशे लोक आहा पळय ते बरे जावन गेल्ले आसात. दुसरी गजाल म्हाका विचारपाक जाय की अशी कमी ऑर्गनायजेशनां आसा जे लोकांची काळजी घेता. पणजेन गिरेस्त आसूं शकता, गरीब ना जावं शकता पणजेन, पूण हे जे आसा पळय ते ऑल ओव्हर गोवाक लागून हांगासर बांदिल्ले त्या टायमाचेर डोनेट केल्ले ना रायट, डोनेट केल्ले. सो गरीब गांवांनी गरीब आहा, गांवांनी गरीब आसा. जर तर ना न्हू कोण म्हणटा जाल्यार म्हाज्या वांगडा एक रायडाक येवपाक शकता. हांव तुमकां दाखयता केपें, सांगे, काणकोण खंयच्या वाड्याचेर जो आसा पळय इवन पेडणे ते सायडीन कितलेशे गरीब आसा. आनी त्या गरिबांक लागून सेवा जे करपा लागून ऑर्गनायजेशन आहा तांकां सपोर्ट मेळपाक जाय, पाठिंबो मेळपाक जाय. 150 crores आशा धरून हे हांगासर हे करिनाका. सो ही वायट गजाल आसा सद्या प्रेझेंटली की सोशल वर्क करपी ऑर्गनायजेशन्स आसा, इन्स्टिट्यूशन आसा, थंय सुद्धा तुमचो दोळो आसा म्हळ्यार हे सगळ्यांच्या दुर्दैवाची गजाल आसा. आनी म्हाका दिसता की हांगा इमिजिएटली सरकारान ज्या भाशेन सपोर्ट करपाक जाय तेंच्यांनी पावल दाखयचें पडटलें. न्हू की सिंपथी घेवन मागीर करप. आज गरज आसा की हे हांगासर आसा आनी ते म्हाजे
पावलो कितलो अनवेड मदर्स मागीर डेस्टिट्यूट इतलो लोक जालो हिशोब ना.
So requesting, please do not compare the human life with money आणि सोशल वर्क विथ मनी. आजकाल तुमकां कितें दिश्टी पडटा जमनीचो व्हॅल्यू जो जालो न्हू 150 कोटी म्हळ्यार हांगासर कितें तरी व्हडलें हाडूंक शकता म्हणून अशें तुमचें स्वप्नां जातात, सगळ्यांचें स्वप्नां जातात. पूण हे जे हांगासर ह्या एरियेंतल्यान जे बरें जावन गेला पळय तांचे भितर विचार करा. मे बी तुमचे पेरंट्सूय आसूं शकता. आयज तुमचे कडेन दुडू आयले आसतले, तुमचे पेरंट्सूय आसूं शकता हांगासर येवन गेले. सो हे सगळ्यांक एक शिटकावणी आसा. प्लीज डू नॉट डू दिस.